SMG has lost their mind, Spanish Baldwin. And you know what? So have I, because we're here doing this. Like, who am I? Am I Pete? It's funny. I look at my phone and Nick from SMG messages me and he's like, hey, do you want to stream sometime with the play button? And I'm like, okay, sure. Why am I putting myself through this? Because people want to see it. I'm hype, you the goat. I don't know that I'm the goat, but I'm here. We're doing the thing, folks. Welcome. Ranked, what? Yeah, this isn't a prank, we're playing ranked. Welcome to Classic Fixed. A little birdie told me that I need to work on my skills. So here we are, working on my skills by starting with a World Dom Classic Fix game. And would you look at that? According to Google, Australia is the best bonus to hold if you want to win. And I think with my 9 troops just chilling here, I think we're good. I feel like I never see so many people, but now here we are playing Risk together. AP4 is like 100%, right? I'm not crazy. Am I crazy? I think I am. It's 100%. It's 99%. Yeah, whatever. Cool. Rolled out. Rolled out. Do, do, do. Sorry, you weren't getting that 4 out, dude. I hope you understand that. You were never getting that 4 out. Now I just have Australia.
A few moments later.
Oh. What is he doing now? Just moves into Europe? Yeah. And yellow... Does yellow have a trade? To be fair, Becky didn't punch black, so it wasn't like a real deal. Yeah, exactly. Like, I wasn't aligned with black or anything like that. I was only aligned with purple at one point, and then purple was like, nope, you're done. And then I aligned with white, and I guess white decided that he was gonna align with everybody else too, and go from there. Yeah, how do you suck at betraying that bad? I don't know, but at least yellow's gonna get my kill and my cards, so then they can also just punch into white and go from there. They're only really guarding Europe. Becky, this is a family alright, well yeah, we'll spectate.
12 seconds later.
I'm over this.
Day 2.
Do I like fog? No. However, we have fog! Zombies! Baby! No alliances, because we don't need homies. Oh, no! I switched the cards. I am not playing fixed zombies. No. Can I leave my own lobby? I want to leave my own lobby. I don't want this. Why am I playing fixed? No. I don't want to play fixed. I hate this. Why? Oh. He's got a fucking 6 there? Sorry. I mean... This is so dumb. This is so dumb. Oh god, smack it. Oh, thanks. I don't know, guys. That's 8v6. Yeah, we're gonna do that. That's fine. Thank you. That's mine. Not yours, but mine. We're listening to the inner demons of chat and myself, and we don't get punished for it, and here we are. Maybe this is just how I should always play ranked, is listening to you guys while we do the thing together, and being overconfident, and this. And then it's perfect. I feel like this is how Buns plays ranked.
1 hour later.
Oh, we live! If I outlive Purple, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die laughing on the inside. Do I have a trade now? I don't have a trade. Kill me? He kills me now. Yeah. I die now. Yellow's not a homie. Very lame. It is what it is. Yellow's a beginner, didn't want to be a homie with me, and apparently everybody else was a novice, so such is my life. I am absolutely not going to be a beginner after this anymore. Oh, I think somebody just accidentally stumbled into something I was working on. Okay, cool. Now we have a lobby.
Day 3.
Okay, this time we are in first position, and we actually have progressive cards. And if it isn't pretty obvious what we're about to do, it's kind of ridiculous that I have to even say it in the first place. We're just gonna be like here. Thank you, Chad, for the raid. Very much appreciated. I hope you're doing well today. We are now in the best position I could have ever asked for, playing Europe Progressive Zombies. Sorry, not sorry. Yeah, Becky has no fear. Do you see this bonus, Mallory? Do you see this blizzard? Am I supposed to be afraid of being in Noob Corner with a blizzard like this? Oh, and we get this blizzard again. We get the same blizzard as the last game. Again. I could even have both parts of Scandy and Noob Corner. Not afraid. Absolutely no fear. This is the game that I win. Maybe. I don't know. That's being overconfident. Becky becomes purple. I am not purple. I am a better homie than purple, okay? I'm a better homie than purple. Ask White from Classic Fixed. Except White was a douche, so don't ask White. Break red, be a purple. Oh my god. That would be true irony, wouldn't it? Okay. Blue's taking the middle. Becky's lobbies fill so fast, unlike Chad's. Well, I mean, if I'm getting stream sniped, sure. Yes, this is ranked. Chad, this is ranked. Purple, or blue's coming up there. Blue moves out. This is the only map that zombie lobbies would fill fast on. Yeah, I would agree. But thank you, Blue, for opening this up for me, I guess, now that I can take it. Right? Like, I'm guarding from 2 pocket spots. So I would have to. If I played on Europe, advanced players might accidentally join thinking it's meta settings. Yeah, that's what it feels like, almost. Like, you see Europe, and if you don't have a premium account, then you luck out on being able to play zombies. But if you do have a premium account and you don't care what you're playing as long as it's Europe Advanced, then you're playing Europe Advanced. Thank you, Chad. Much appreciated. I spent, I don't know, the better part of, like, the end of my workday curling this mop. And it's cute, because it's not long, but it's not short. but it feels short. Hey, Miss Frizzle, hot teacher fantasy. Crackle, calm down. We are playing zombies, playing Risk, and having SMG watch, like, give me the play button. So, like, they're doing the things. We're all here as a family in the Risk community for this happening. But I hope you're doing well. Thank you for hanging out. Put on a brand new shirt. Oh, Red's crying. That you love me. You look like Annie or Merida. No, I don't take it wrong at all. We're going to do that. We'll fortify a 2 out. Bum, bum, bum. And then guard. Split guard? Should I split guard? I don't think I should split guard. I don't care enough to split guard. Okay, I guess it's a split guard. But, Chad, to be fair, having red hair, I am taking almost, like, every redheaded character on as a personality trait to an extent. The other month, I wore cargo pants, and they were, like, army green, and I felt like Kim Possible. If I end up wearing a white skirt and a red shirt, I'm going to feel like Phineas and Ferb's older sister. Who else is a red hair? I feel like there should be more characters with red hair. Who was it? Shirley Temple didn't have red hair, but that's what I felt like I was gonna have when I started doing tiny ringlets. Mrs. Incredible has a short bob. I can't say that I feel like Mrs. Incredible all of the time because I don't wear, like, slim one-piece jumpsuits all day. Blue takes Russia. Blue's fighting with red for Russia. That's what it looks like. Oh, buddy. I'm gonna have to think of a couple redheaded characters, aren't I? I'm not Annie. I certainly couldn't be Annie. Little Orphan Annie. Having Noob Corner and Scandinavia +6, +2, so it's +8, and 17 territories. I feel like I'm going to be large for no good reason, and people are going to be upset about that. Blue has to have Central Europe. If they don't, I don't know what they're doing with their lives. I'm assuming Blue was just fighting for Russia. If there was another available bonus to me, I would assume that it's Western Europe. Does Black take this now? No. Black does. Oh. Black hits Paris? Yeah! Okay, so Black is trying to take that bonus. Do we see Black hold it? They don't because Red's in there, but that's fine. Is Black a bot? Oh, Black is a bot. Purple's a bot. Blue's a bot. Red is the only real player that we're playing against right now. Wow. Okay, that's great news. Beautiful chef's kiss news. Full send into red. Game over. Break red. Be a purple. Oh God. Red's about to bot out. Oh no. Am I gonna play a bunch of zombie bots? Is that what I'm gonna do? Are we kidding right now? Is this really what we're doing? Big rip. I don't care. We're gonna find out. I'm taking this bonus and that part of your bonus. And we're gonna stay here. That's so funny. So red got 4. Which just means that they're over 12 or on 12. I don't have a trade. Doesn't matter. 3 bonuses. 4 bonuses. 3? 4? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Removes me from that half of the map. I mean, blue's a bot, so if they break Scandy, they break Scandy. I like that 3 of the 5 players bought in. Did red take the +8? No, red only got +4. If red took the +8, we would have to find out in a minute, but I don't know that they actually took it. It did look like red took Eastern, yeah. But with the zombies and the amount of bot that we have in spots, I don't know that he actually has it. So then what? This black bot gets a 5v2? Or breaks blue. Yeah. Takes it. It's a taker bot. And I'm assuming something broke it south of me. If you pin red behind and always break, you can wait for bots to die to zombies, then kill red. True. Take Russia and rule Eastern Europe. Oh god. Okay, so zombies clear out. Just lock red in Sevastopol. We could do that. That would be funny. Why am I allowed to bully people in Risk when I have no business being the bully? But sure, chat. We're gonna see what happens, I suppose. We're gonna see. Okay, so red is in Russia too. This is so shitty. Okay. Do we actually... Oh, no. Red's there, too. Okay, whatever. I don't really have to be over here, honestly. I wanted to see what was here, and I took most of the bonus but didn't take the bonus. So I just broke red because I'm an asshole. Sorry, SMG, I love you. Please do this to me again. Is it a 1-point hold? I don't know about things. I'm not paying attention. I do have a trade, but no, we're trading against bots, okay? Red isn't going to be able to win. I don't even see where red added. 1 hit. Now it's basically like hide and seek finding red. Screw you. So now we just move out of there. Do you see the one next to purple city? That's the 1-point hold. You mean the 6 now? No. Prussia? Oh, it was there. Take Prussia and sit in Prussia and then get a wine. Oh, yeah, because I'm almost out, right? Oh, Prussia holds the whole right side. What? I just... Yeah, after the zombies when I hit all of that. Hang on. Chad said kill blue and purple and black. Then Leech says take Russia and sit on Prussia and then get a wine. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. I have to hit that 2 too. Boo. Oh, but my... Okay, that doesn't get hit. We're in love with this. So, if I follow Leech's advice, I don't have to do anything except just take Russia, sit on Prussia, and Bob's my metaphorical uncle. Gonna 5v2, gonna run around on... Oh, nope, thank you. We're gonna put that there. Oh, shit. That's not what I wanted to do, but okay, fine. Not sitting on Prussia with March, but that's fine. Oh, I didn't get the blue too. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Is that all of blue? We don't quite know. Okay, I'm gonna go get wine really quickly and then I'm coming back. Like, so quick you didn't even realize I was gone, but I am gone. Oh, so that is olive blue. Okay. Did red just quit? That's a good question. So I am just playing bots. And the blue bot just killed the purple bot. Oh my god. This is what's happening. This is exactly what's happening right now. Becky, the blue bot's about to teach Becky how to play progressive. Listen, Spanish Baldwin. You just missed Placid Plastic Ducks, and I understand that. But that's it. You just need to chill out, okay? We'll hang out with the ducks if you want to hang out with the ducks, but we can't do that right now because it's SMG time. Look, blue kill. Yeah, it's the perfect blue kill. It's just lined up right there for me. I want ducks. I know you do. I miss the ducks too. And then we find red. $33 is disgusting. I'm just putting that out there, okay? Oh, that's one territory that doesn't go out. That's dumb. That's not all of black? Okay. I have to look for the red bot. I just can't find him, but they're gonna trade in anyways. Red definitely botted. As for where their bot is, I have no idea. Or no, he's still around. No private chat allowed. So he's still here. Yeah, red's definitely not a bot. Red didn't come through to like break anything by any means. And I have a trade on 3. This is ranked no name. Black doesn't have a trade on 3 because they have 2 cards. How much did red start with? Red only had 3 troops because I'm pretty sure I broke any bonus that they actually had. Black started with 3 because they're probably hidden somewhere in the fog, but I think black is in the process of botting out right now. Me, black, and red are still in this game, but black botted, so it's just great. Becky 100% purpled red. Yeah. Yeah. It's fine. It's fine. Black is a scumbag bot. So there's the rest of black. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah. So now we just go through Spain. And then fortify May 12. Oh no! Black's gone! Now we have to find red! Now we have to find red. With plus 50. Don't mind if I do. Alright, we're just gonna be egregious and travel with like what, freaking 30 sacks? Like, this is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. Don't mind if I do, don't mind if I don't. Oh, hi, Red! He had a Joker! Oh my god! Oh my fuck! Oh my god! Ah! 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 Oh, come on. Thank you. I like progressive zombies, and this is why we do the thing. This is why we do the thing. Because it's the thing, and it's doable. Thank you! And this makes up for the fact that I played 2 fixed games beforehand. Pew, 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 pew. Anybody want to take a guess on ranks? Does anybody care about the ranks? Because we're about to find out. Red was an expert. Congratulations. You got second. Blue was an intermediate. Purple was a beginner. 4 Angry Inches kind of sounds like a beginner name, unfortunately, so I understand. And Black was also a beginner.